Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of February, 2025, our system has ranked SoFi as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.15. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 16.13%. This translates to an average loss of 1.79% per day since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which could present an appealing buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $13.51 is breached, it may signal a stronger rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5.27% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between a decline of 5.67% and an increase of 22.80%. Shifting focus to a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 134.68%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 110.70% to 231.69% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range between $28.59 and $45.01. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, Volatile Ride for SoFi Stock Price on Monday, moving between $13.44 and $14.91. The SoFi stock price fell by 6.22% on the last day, which was Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, from $14.47 to $13.57. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.90%, reaching a day low of $13.44 and a day high of $14.91. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 16.29% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 18 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 57 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $775,080,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.42, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 26.33%, or $4.85, below the 52-week high, and 51.98%, or $14.69, below the all-time high on February 1st, 2021, when the price reached $28.26. SoFi Technologies has recently announced a significant achievement, completing a securitization of its loan platform business volume amounting to $697,600,000. This transaction is noteworthy as it contributes to the stability and revenue diversification of the company, bolstering investor confidence. In addition, SoFi has surpassed the 10 million member mark with a remarkable growth trajectory in both member acquisition and total products, which reached 14,700,000, an increase of 32% year over year. Financially, the company achieved $970 million in revenue, marking a staggering 74% year-over-year increase, now representing 47% of total revenue. Originating $23 billion in loans demonstrates SoFi's robust market position, reducing balance sheet risk while maintaining revenue streams. Despite fluctuations leading to a 66% rise in stock value over the past year, SoFi remains 47% below its all-time high, currently trading around $15. Analysts have noted that despite the recent 10% stock decline over 3 months, the fundamentals support potential for future growth. CEO Anthony Noto's adjusted guidance indicates expectations of substantial revenue growth, targeting a compound annual growth rate of over 25% through 2026. Positive sentiment surrounding SOFI could lead to price recovery and investor interest, setting the stage for potential upward movement in its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, January 3, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, December 19, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 10, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, December 9, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned SOFI stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the stock's near-term performance. The SOFI stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected around levels of $14.22 and $15.52. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, resulting in a decline of nearly 20%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is warranted. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 127 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. Currently, there is no support based on the accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically shows average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.47 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 10.90%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 6.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. This ratio is considered relatively normal, typically found in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $14.47. If you do not currently own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, which implies that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such scenarios. The combined average rating for SOFI from various analyst sources is a sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of February, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 9,185 shares of common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric conducted an insider sale of 111,461 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also executed an insider purchase of 111,461 shares of common stock. On the 19th of February, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric sold 31,366 shares of common stock. On the 14th of February, 2025, Pinto Arun conducted an insider sale of 45,389 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 58.177. Overall, insiders bought 9,296,196 shares and sold 33,591,610 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Currently, SOFI displays several negative indicators and is trending downwards, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, March 4th, we anticipate SOFI will open higher by 0.04 of a dollar and begin trading at $13.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.